Here's something interesting about buying a used BMW. The cheapest one isn't always the best deal, and the most expensive one isn't always worth the extra money. The real sweet spot is finding a model that still delivers the premium driving experience, comfort, technology, and build quality BMW is known for, without making you regret the purchase every time a maintenance bill arrives. In today's video, we're counting down 4 used BMWs that are genuinely worth every penny. These are the models that continue to impress years later, offering the kind of value that makes owners feel they made the right decision long after signing the paperwork. If you're shopping for a used BMW and want the most car for your money, stay with us until the end, because our number 1 pick might surprise you. When the G30 generation BMW 540i first arrived, it represented everything buyers expected from a modern executive sedan: understated luxury, effortless performance, cutting-edge technology, and a level of refinement that could easily rival cars costing much more. Fast forward a few years, and while its price has dropped significantly on the used market, the overall experience behind the wheel certainly hasn't. That's exactly why the 540i remains a BMW that's worth every penny. One of the biggest reasons is what's under the hood. The turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 B58 engine has earned one of the strongest reputations of any modern BMW powertrain. It delivers smooth, effortless acceleration, plenty of power for everyday driving, and a level of reliability that has helped change many people's perception of BMW ownership. Combined with the excellent ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience still feels remarkably polished and responsive, whether you're cruising on the highway or enjoying a winding back road. But performance is only part of the story. The 540i also excels at making every trip feel special. The cabin remains quiet even by today's standards, the seats are exceptionally comfortable on long drives, and the interior materials have held up remarkably well over time. Unlike many luxury cars that begin to feel outdated after just a few years, the G30 still looks modern inside and out, giving owners the impression they're driving something far newer than its age suggests. Another reason this car deserves its place on this list is value. For the price of a well-equipped mainstream sedan, buyers can often find a clean 540i loaded with premium features like adaptive suspension, Harman Kardon audio, a large digital display, advanced driver assistance systems, and a beautifully finished interior. It offers an ownership experience that feels genuinely premium without requiring the price tag of a brand new luxury car. Of course, it's still a sophisticated German sedan, so maintenance history matters. A well-documented example with regular servicing will almost always be a smarter purchase than a cheaper car with neglected maintenance. When properly cared for, however, the 540i rewards owners with a rare combination of comfort, performance, technology, and long-term satisfaction that few competitors can match in the same price range. Even years after leaving the showroom, it's the kind of BMW that reminds you why spending a little more upfront can end up being money well spent. Luxury SUVs tend to lose value quickly, which creates a great opportunity for smart used car buyers. Few models prove that better than the BMW X3 xDrive 30i. While newer examples can carry a premium price tag, slightly older G01 models have become some of the best values in BMW's lineup, offering nearly everything buyers expect from a modern luxury SUV at a fraction of the original cost. That's exactly what makes this X3 worth every penny. Power comes from BMW's 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 engine, an engine that has steadily built a reputation for being one of the brand's most dependable modern 4-cylinders. It may not deliver the thrilling acceleration of BMW's larger 6-cylinder models, but for everyday driving, it strikes an excellent balance between performance, fuel economy, and long-term ownership costs. Paired with the smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system, it feels confident in almost every driving situation, whether you're navigating city traffic or covering hundreds of highway miles. Where the X3 really shines is in its versatility. It offers the elevated driving position many buyers want without sacrificing the balanced handling that has long separated BMW from many other luxury SUV brands. It feels composed through corners, easy to maneuver around town, and remarkably comfortable during long road trips. It's one of those rare SUVs that successfully blends practicality with genuine driving enjoyment. Inside, the G01 has aged exceptionally well. The cabin still feels modern thanks to its clean dashboard layout, high-quality materials, responsive infotainment system, and excellent build quality. Even compared to many newer competitors, it doesn't feel outdated, and that's a major reason owners continue to appreciate it years after purchase. Cargo space is generous, rear seat comfort is excellent, and the overall driving environment feels every bit as premium as buyers expect from the BMW badge. Perhaps the biggest reason the X3 deserves a spot on this list is how much luxury it delivers for today's used prices. Buyers can often find well-equipped examples featuring panoramic sunroofs, premium audio systems, adaptive cruise control, heated seats, parking assistance, and advanced safety technology for significantly less than what a comparable new luxury SUV would cost. As always, a complete service history is essential, but when you find a properly maintained example, the X3 X30i offers one of the strongest combinations of comfort, practicality, technology, and everyday usability in the entire used luxury SUV market. It's the kind of purchase that continues to feel like a smart decision every time you get behind the wheel. Some cars lose their appeal as newer generations arrive. The BMW M340i has done the exact opposite. Years after its debut, it continues to be regarded as one of the most complete performance sedans BMW has ever built. And with used prices becoming increasingly attractive, it's a car that delivers an incredible amount of performance and luxury for the money. If you're looking for a BMW that feels special every single time you drive it, the M340i is worth every penny. The biggest reason, of course, is the legendary B58 turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six. Producing effortless power, a refined soundtrack, and smooth delivery throughout the rev range, it transforms the M340i into a genuinely exciting sports sedan while maintaining the reliability that has made the B58 one of BMW's most respected modern engines. Combined with the lightning-quick 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, acceleration feels immediate, highway passing is effortless, and daily driving never feels stressful or demanding. What makes the M340i even more impressive is that it isn't just fast, it knows how to be comfortable. In comfort mode, it settles into a refined cruiser that's quiet enough for long commutes and road trips. Switch into sport mode, however, and the steering sharpens, the suspension becomes more responsive, and the entire personality of the car changes. It offers two completely different driving experiences without forcing owners to compromise on either one. The cabin is another reason this car continues to justify its price. The G20 interior still feels fresh and contemporary, featuring excellent build quality, supportive sports seats, premium materials, intuitive technology, and a layout that prioritizes the driver without sacrificing comfort. Unlike some competitors that overwhelm drivers with overly complicated controls, the M340i strikes a balance between modern technology and everyday usability, making it easy to enjoy whether you're driving across town or across the country. Of course, owning an M340i isn't as inexpensive as owning a standard family sedan, and buyers should still budget for premium maintenance, quality tires, and regular servicing. But that's precisely where this car separates itself from many rivals. Every additional dollar spent is reflected in the experience you receive behind the wheel. It's quick enough to satisfy driving enthusiasts, refined enough for daily commuting, luxurious enough to compete with executive sedans, and dependable enough to inspire confidence when properly maintained. Few modern BMWs combine performance, comfort, technology, and long-term desirability as successfully as the M340i, making it one of the smartest used performance car purchases available today. If there's one used BMW that perfectly captures the idea of being worth every penny, it's the G20 Generation 330i. It may not be the fastest car in BMW's lineup or the most luxurious model the brand has ever built, but that's exactly what makes it such an outstanding value. It delivers nearly everything people want from a modern BMW: refined performance, premium quality, advanced technology, excellent fuel economy, and everyday practicality, without the higher ownership costs that often come with larger or more powerful models. Power comes from BMW's highly regarded 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 engine, an engine that has become known for its impressive balance of efficiency, smoothness, and long-term durability. It produces more than enough power to make daily driving enjoyable, while the 8-speed ZF automatic transmission keeps every shift smooth and perfectly timed. Whether you're commuting through traffic, cruising on the interstate, or taking the occasional back road, the 330i consistently feels composed, responsive, and surprisingly engaging to drive. What really separates the 330i from many of its competitors is how complete the overall package feels. The chassis is balanced, the steering remains precise, and the suspension provides an excellent compromise between comfort and handling. Unlike some luxury sedans that prioritize softness at the expense of driver involvement, the 330i still delivers the connected driving experience that made BMW famous in the first place, while remaining comfortable enough to use every single day. Inside, the G20 continues to feel remarkably modern. The cabin features high-quality materials, supportive seats, intuitive technology, and one of the cleanest interior designs in its class. Even several years after its release, it still feels like a contemporary luxury sedan rather than a car that's beginning to show its age. Many used examples also come equipped with desirable options such as the premium package, heated seats, adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, and a high-quality Harman Kardon sound system, making the ownership experience feel even more upscale. Perhaps the strongest argument for the 330i is its overall cost-to-value ratio. Depreciation has made these cars far more attainable than when they were new, yet they still offer the same premium driving experience that attracted buyers in the first place. Maintenance remains reasonable by luxury car standards when service intervals are respected. The B48 engine has earned a solid reputation for reliability, and parts availability is excellent thanks to the popularity of the platform. For buyers who want a luxury sedan that excels in nearly every category without demanding unnecessary compromises, the G20 BMW 330i stands out as one of the smartest purchases in today's used car market. It may not be the most expensive BMW you can buy, but when it comes to delivering lasting value, few prove to be worth every penny quite like this one. Thanks for watching. As you've seen, buying a used BMW doesn't have to mean taking a gamble. The key is choosing the right model, finding one with a solid maintenance history, and focusing on long-term value instead of simply chasing the lowest price. Every BMW on today's list continues to deliver the premium driving experience that made the brand famous, proving that a well-chosen used BMW can still feel like money well spent years after it first left the showroom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which used BMW do you think is worth every penny, and which one would you buy with your own money. We'd love to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.